BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 135 of season 3. Today's word is competent. Would you like to know what it means? It means capable, qualified, efficient, trained, having the necessary ability or skill to do something successfully. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word competent. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Competent is spelled as C-O-M-P-E-T-E-N-T. The word competent means capable, qualified, or having the necessary ability or skill to do something successfully. For example, an architect is competent to design a structure which can withstand a specified load. Listen carefully how we can use the word competent in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Punith was driving in a rural area. Suddenly, his car broke down. He asked for help from a local garage. The mechanic was competent and he resolved the problem in a short time. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The large jewelry shop implemented the latest accounting software system. The owner found that the manual accounting method was not competent. Hence, he made the necessary changes. Example number 3 of 8. Dr. Agashe was an eminent and competent cardiologist. When a new hospital was being started in the city, the management invited him for the inauguration. They also requested him to be a consultant for the hospital. Let us understand example number 4 of 8. Research suggests that world's largest software companies are employing a large number of Indian software programmers. This is due to the fact that Indian programmers have a reputation of being hardworking and competent. We train English learners in vocabulary development in our advanced English fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Devyani was very competent at the game of bridge. Bridge is a game of cards. She practiced meticulously for several hours each day and won this year's competition. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. Jose is a German who has stayed with the locals in southern India for almost a decade and he learnt the local language. His competency with the local language has helped him to set up a travel and tour company for his countrymen visiting India. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. Upon his father's retirement, Chirayu took over as the managing director of the company. He was ambitious but would act hastily without much thinking. Soon the word spread that he was not competent enough to manage the business. Now let us understand example number 8 of 8. Mr. Damani approached a Swedish company for a joint manufacturing venture. However, he was told that his production facility was obsolete and his staff was not competent. It was suggested that he should upgrade the machinery and get his staff trained in order to proceed with the joint manufacturing venture. Today we learnt the word competent, which means capable, qualified, efficient, trained, having the necessary ability or skill To do something successfully, can you frame 3 sentences with competent and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 135 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be releasing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.